at my heartstrings.
When my heart, it just started to yell.
Okay, we're gonna ring the dinner bell here. 3 bells. Now we've got to come and hear the other bell. You ready? Now we'll ring the bell for dessert. Okay, here we are at the bar. We're getting ready to get in line to get something to eat. And we're going from there. A lot of music, a lot of cool things happening.
Tell them what we got, John.
We got lasagna, we got salad, and we got bread. And a drink.
All right, we're on it.
Okay, we're done with our trip to St. Sagandi. It's exploring John, Dave, and Doc. We had a great time in there. Got wet, almost up to my thigh. We seen a lot of biology in there. We've seen crayfish. We've seen salamanders, and we even saw a bat. See you next time.
Okay, that was cool.